So we understood the echo effects, okay? And similar kind of an effects, there is still frames while jumping and all. You want to keep on air, you know, that's one of the pose you want to keep on air over here. Second pose also you need here, third pose also you need. Like manually, how can we do? But here it's very important. The camera movement will give you mistakes, okay? This camera movement will give you mistakes. But when you do this one, maximum you try to take the camera is static, not even a small movement, okay? That give you a good result, but still I will show you. Okay, I delete echo and all. I have a frame now. So this is the video here. Which area you need to do still, you need to get still frame, you decide. For example, I need a still frame here. So I put a marker here. Okay, M I can do for a marker. Then you click on this button, export frame, export frame. If it is not here, I told you last time, you can take from here. If it will be here, then drag and drop to here. Okay, now already here, then if you click this one, we are exporting this frame, PNG or JPEG, whatever is fine. And I'm going to give name for easy to understand, 1A. Okay, this I'm exporting this frame. Then I can continue this one. I can continue this one. Then I can get back to this marker again. But save time, you press M, then from there you export. Better same time the file, you know, this one came to desktop now. Then I'm gonna, you know, why, how I got this desktop? When I click here, the was location it is showing over here. Okay, if you want browse and change it. Now this frame is here. Have drag and drop to Photoshop this one. You can do in Premiere also masking, but it is little difficult. But here you can see very quickly you can do it. Use any tool which is more comfortable. Like let me check with the quick selection tool. Yeah, if the background is perfectly static, even if it is no, if you don't cut this one perfectly, no issue, it will work. What happened to add selection? Okay, see what I'm doing? The same frame, in the same frame, I've selected this portion, Shift Control I, inverse selection or select inverse. Okay, then I delete this one. So I have only this frame. Save as desktop, just giving 1A1, any name, but it should be PNG. When you say saving, it should be PNG. So I got a PNG image. Drag and drop, same place, but on top of it. On top of it. Okay. So you can see I have a PNG image here. So even this frame goes, you know, still it is there. Okay. Now I continue. Next here, I need one more. So M, marker just to remember, later to remember. Maybe if I move this one, I want to remember that where was the post. That is the reason only I'm doing. And again, I save it. PNG, same place. Name I forgot. Okay, whatever. Now, drag and drop. If you done this job, the previous, nothing more to do in that. I'm going to close that. Same thing. And this file is easy to do with the quick selection tool. Zoom. I'm going to select this one. Okay. Control Shift I or select inverse selection and delete it and save as the file. PNG. Remember, just give a name to understand what. And this is the file. Drag and drop. See, my mouse, I didn't move from this. So it's very easy for me to snap it. Second is here. Then let me continue. Then a jumping shot we need here somewhere. Then I'm going to take again. We have next shot. We are 3 only we're going to do. Previous we completed. We're going to do selection. This file is very easy because the background is a little different. So else you need to select with the pen tool and all, but this one you don't struggle much. If it is outside somewhere, press Alt key and click over there. It will subtract the selection. Hold the Shift button to add the selection. Control Shift I, delete. You can adjust the borders and also make it smooth the borders and all, but I have not tried. When you do professionally, try much better result from here. So the border will be perfect when you take to Adobe Premiere and see the same place. I put M also, marker, okay? So you can see 3 frames over there. But 3, I want to get it same time maybe. So keep on the top of this one by one, okay? Then I'm going to extend it. Then I'm going to extend it. 3 still frame I have. So see from here when I'm playing, first one frame, second one frame, third one frame. But can you see this movement happen? For this clips you see now, there is a movement. This is the reason I told you the camera should not move. If your camera is moving, this error will be visible. But if the camera is static, that problem won't be there. Now you understand. When it goes here, you can see this whole moving together based on the camera movement. I have stopped over here. If you want to extend it, you can select all and move till end. Of course, there is an error because the camera is moving. You see that's camera moving. Okay, that's an error. Or you see till here, you're okay. So try to crop it till that. So maximum when you choose a shot, try to take it static camera. Camera should not move at all, then it will be perfect. You can try many things over here. You can try on your dissolve effects, Control D, everything will be dissolved. Control D. Right, this way can do, but I prefer personally without any effects. Exactly, you feel like, you know, from there it's generating a new one, second one, third one. You see some, especially jumping shots and all. If you can do this way, if a high jump happen over here, you can understand each poses can be understand and evaluate on it. Okay. So that's all. This one you need to practice. So 2 method I told now. One method using echo, but that one it was not keeping like this. That was not the frame. We were not freezing. This one actually we are freezing that frame. The other one, the 2 or multiple copies going to come. But always remember, see, it is a tricky things which what I have done. The video what I choose, I don't have any extra element. If you want to see the mistakes on this video, take any video which is having many other moments happen here and there. You will not get this perfection. Okay, so while choosing this one, this kind of video, or when you're shooting this kind of video, you should take this kind of somewhere where it doesn't have much element. It doesn't mean that it should be in a desert with the sky and ground only. You can take from anywhere near to outside, city, building, everywhere is fine. But no any major elements movement happen here. Then you may not be able to get the static movement proper. Okay, so even if the background is building, no problem, but it should be static, no much elements. Some elements slowly here and the movement, there is no issue, but a big movements is there, or drastic changes happens on the background sometimes, you know, somebody coming here and going or something like that. There are a chance to get error, but this kind of shot is good. But there is solution to do that all. We have to do masking and all. There are solution, of course, but just when you learning, try to take this kind of background which doesn't have much element. Okay,